analyzing the financials obtained from Meralco's own website, its return on equity was 28% in 2018 and 2019. And that even with the raging pandemic in 2020, its return to equity was still computed at high 21%, or 54% more than the allowed cap.
Sinusubukan pa ng GMA News na kunin ang panig ng PRC at COA. Maghahain daw si Marcoleta ng resolusyon para i-review ang mga batas kung saan ipinapasa sa consumers ang systems loss kasama yung mawawala sa Meralco dahil sa mga ninanakaw na kuryente.
Hindi naman po pwedeng ang magbayad dito ay yung consumers kasi wala na po kinalaman ang consumers. These are all calculated risks that a legitimate business should be able to shoulder.
Hindi rin daw dapat binabayaran ng consumer ang 7.
Mga kapuso, 2 low pressure area ang minumonitor ng Pag-asa. Ang isa nasa Philippine Area of Responsibility. Nakapaloob ito sa IPCC na nagpapaulan sa Palawan, Visayas at Mindanao. Nasa 1,725 kilometers east ng Mindanao ang isa pang LPA at bukas posibleng pumasok sa Philippine Area of Responsibility. Maaari itong lumapit at magpaulan sa Bicol o Eastern Visayas sa Huwebes o Biyernes. Mahigit 1.3 million doses ng Moderna vaccine na binili ng gobyerno ang dumating ngayong umaga. Sabi ni Vaccine Czar Secretary Carlito Galvez, ibibigay ito sa mga eligible na menor de edad at pang-booster dose. Ayon sa DOH, bukas sisimulan ang pagbibigay ng booster shot sa
super ganda.
Makausap po natin si Ma'am Michelle Sada,
Parang lalos.
Tokyo, Japan. Ang kanyang reklamo yung gold digger daw po na nag-Euro 5. Walang ginawa po, ibuhutupan siya ng hutupan.
Tinan mo baka may mga dead pixels
Sir, magandang tanghali po sa inyo dyan.
Sige ma'am, gold, 20 niyo po itong ginawang panluloko sa inyo ni SFO2, Abante Palaw.
Sir, nagmula po nung
Yung speaker.
August 20, 2018. 3 months po ako sa Pilipinas. Tapos po lumipat po ako dito sa Japan bilang OFW November 19, 2008.
Nanonood ka na?
I've had the dog for as long as I can remember, and as you can probably guess, it's completely changed my life.
Ayos ah. Nag-baby para sa'yo.
The owners, Alexis wanted to build a deep
Gusto niya talaga si Bunny panoorin.
Feel a bit happier now?
But she went further than most with a set of communication buttons.
O ano?
Each program with a pre-recorded word.
Ayan, sobrang hinaw. Wala siyang kabahid-bahid ng... Ang lapit mo kasi! Ayan! Wow! Peppa Pig! Ayan na, Peppa Pig!
We're here!
Mga maamang kwento, panoorin nyo na lang i-replay sa internet. I-upload naman yan.
Look, Amor, alam kong hindi ka naman ganon. So, kung ayaw mo makipag-date sa akin, at least payagan mo akong umakyat ng ligaw sa'yo.
Walang hagda ng bahay ko.
Sige, kahit ano gagawin ko, haharanahin kita.
Wow!
You need to relax a bit with all your this rule here, this rule there. Rules aren't here to be relaxed with the things. Why not? Against the rules, Munchie? I guess so. Whatever you say, just don't be a robot. That's just how I work. I keep it.
Netflix on.
Though many know the tragic love story of Antony and Cleopatra, the wayward Roman general who fell madly in love with the enchanting Egyptian queen.
Sulit. Yan! Yan yung gusto ko. Gusto mo yan? Gusto ko yan. Yes, ito pa sumat. Yeah.
Rito ay mga dating miyembro ng rebelling grupo. Sila ay pinamumunuan ng dating commander ng New People's Army na kilala sa pagiging matapang at may paninindigan.
Ako si Kamayang, 49 years old. Dati po ako member ng New People's Army.
Wagon Foundation, the four left from Narita Airport on a flight to Cairo. While above the East China Sea, they noticed an insect on the plane. The insect then began attacking Jotaro, who quickly deduced that it was a stand. Abdal was then able to figure out that the stand was known as Tower of Grey, and its user had
Siya naman yan. Malinaw yan, no?
Banzon, banzon,
Pwede ka mang man, o ikaw man, yakin. Pag ikaw lang, di ba ko nakaka-offend? Galing!
지우 씨 아마 저 있다가 불편해서 안 올 거예요. 저 있다가 하자. 맞아, 우리 아들 좀 그래.
Madlang people natin, miss ka. It's a new experience.
Yeah, no, put that down. That's worth more than you or me. Yeah.
Okay, the craziest thing just happened to me. These guys were robbing an ATM with these high-tech weapons and they're...
Binigyan ng Department of Health ng 5 araw ang 5 piling lungsod sa Metro Manila para tapusin ang pagbabakuna ng Russian vaccine.
Ang maganda dyan,
So I think it was also a good thing to, while we see this ember, we see this virus, we actually see the Sarah Valley, what's going to happen in the 35 could happen.
Wala pa rin. Pero, yung nanay ba ni, nanay ba ni, yung kanina?
So without the escape, you gotta get away from here.
Tayo nagkakasala, ako, kayo, tayo lahat. Pero ganun pa man, siyempre,
Walang sound siya na pag yan.